What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman here outside to do a gear review. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, tutorials, how I do my setups, and beard product reviews. So make sure to hit that thumbs up, make sure to hit subscribe, and check out my other content. Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at something that I picked up from Live Fire Gear. Alright, so let's check out the goodies they sent me too. Alright, so they sent me 3 of their stickers. Pretty big stickers. Alright. And then some little cards. Not 100% sure what these are for, but some little cards. Alright, so what we picked up was this paracord with a fire strand inside. This is a 25 feet. I paid $12.99 for it. I'll drop the link in the description below. And so basically it's 550 paracord with an emergency fire starting strand in the middle. Alright, so let's see if we can get into it. If you like my hat, see this? I'll drop a card up top for my nomadic video. This came in my nomadic box. So this is 25 feet of paracord for $12.99. Yep. And they send it zip tied. So let's get into it. Alright. So here is the end. And that red strand, a fire starter. It's soaked in something. So what we're going to do, let's see. Says that it ignites with ease, burns very hot, has a long burn time, and is waterproof. So this this paracord has 8 strands. They included that one. They didn't take any of the 7 out to replace it. They just added an 8th. So, all right, let's get the camera set up. Well, all right, so what we're gonna do is we'll cut a shank off of it. We probably don't need to go that big. We'll cut about 3 inches. Alright, so we've cut about 3 inches off. And we will gut that. And there's our cord. So this is what we are going to use. It does not fray up. So what we're going to be using is our Charade fire steel. I'll put a card up top for that from where I did a review on it. Did a review and a strike test. So let me get the camera repositioned. Alright guys, so there you have it. We were able to get a fire. We had to get out of the breeze a little bit, had to kind of rough it up a little bit more using the knife blade, but it's something practical. It's something that I would probably buy some more of and replace maybe some zipper pulls and maybe some little tie things, maybe some little lanyards. I wouldn't go out all full kilter and replace everything, all my paracord, but I would replace a few things, maybe use it in a survival bracelet kind of stuff. But it takes a little bit of roughing up with your knife blade, but it works. It's a good little fire tender. I could definitely see it being useful in an emergency situation. It does light easier with a lighter, of course, but it is doable with fire steel, and it is doable with the Charade fire steel. So again, I'll drop links in the description below for what I picked up, and again, it was like $12.99 on their website. So take a look at it, check it out if you're interested. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Have you ever tried it before? Are you interested in trying it? And yeah, so get outdoors. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, have a good one, and God bless.